If you are an aircraft maintenance engineer apprentice about to write your car's examination, pass your examination 80% and above with this one website. Hey guys, so the website I'm talking about is Sky Test, right? Sky Test Pro. You want to go on Google and search Sky Test Pro. This is a website. It's called www.skytestpro.com, right? This website is focused for AMEs, right? So basically, AMEs that are about to do their cars examination, the general examination, the power plants, right? And you can actually view the courses right here. So if you go on view courses, you can see airframe, general power plants, cars. But for now, this month, the wholly active courses, the only active exam practice questions are the course examination. Why I'm focused on the course examination for now, right? So yeah, in order to get access to the courses, right, as you can see, it says you have access to 7 day free trial, no cost, no commitment. It's free right now because I want you guys to see the value in this website, right? So if I click on, I don't know, start the courses here, right now I've already logged in, right? But I'm just going to log out right now so you guys can see. This is how the website looks like. Once you click on the start the website, this is how the front page will look like. For most of you that don't have accounts, you want to create an account. Like once you create an account, you go back to your email, you'll see verification on your email, right? And that is how you access the website, right? So basically, I'm just going to log in right now, right? So once you logged in, you get access to the website. This is how the front page looks like, right? You can browse the courses, but you don't have to click on it. You can actually go to the bottom here. These are the available courses. Like I told you guys, right now, the only available course is the cars for AME. The generals, the airframe, the power plants are not available right now, right? And in order to get access to these cars, right now it's manually selected. And the reason why I have to select people because I want to have people that are not ready for the examination, just spam the website, right? I want it to be valuable to people that are about to do the examination, right? So basically, once you create your account, you get a password. I have to manually accept you to the website, to the program, to basically the courses, right? You have to give me the reason why you have to be 3 months or 4 months or 2 months, 1 month to write your course examination. You're actually currently preparing for the examination, right? Because I want it to be valuable to people that are about to write the examination. In the future, once I do a lot of updates, then it's going to be automatic access to it. But for now, it's really have to manually accept you to the courses, right? But once you get to the website, you get the acceptance. Once you click, this is how the front page look like, right? As you can see, it's separated in modules, right? So you have your module 0, which is focused on the abbreviation and basic. Module 1, which is focused on the navigation of cars. Module 2, which is focused on part 1. Module 3 is focused on part 2. Module 4 focused on part 4. Module 5 is focused on 5, right? You have 571, 573. Part 8 is module 8 is focused on part 6, right? And it goes all the way to part 7, right? And these modules are actually practice questions, right? And these questions was actually set on my experience doing the examination, current apprentices that are doing the examination or who have done the exam. So these are informations I got and I put everything in this website, right? And this is why I tell people this website is very, 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 very valuable. And that is because people that have done the examination questions that actually came. I don't want to use the word past questions, right? That's why I'm using the word practice questions, but you know what I'm talking about, right? People that have done the examination, information that I get, like I put everything in this website. That is why I tell people you just doing this website and studying the book and you study the questions at the book, like I guarantee you are going to pass 100%. Like you're going to pass 80% and above, right? And this is because these questions are based on experience from people that have done the examination and me doing the examination, right? I will give you guys an example of one of the questions. Let's say, for example, I want to do module 5, which is part 5, right? I click on the quizzes, right? The first thing you're going to see is the limit, right? Like you can see, it's 1 hour 30 minutes, but the real examination is actually 3 hours. But I want you guys to be able to be so confident, So by the time you even you study the book, you study these practice questions, like you don't even need 1 hour, 30 minutes. You in 1 hour and 20 minutes, you are done the examination. Like you are so ready, right? Like I said, that is my goal, right? So you preview the quiz, you get a warning, and you start the quiz, right? Like I told you guys, this quiz is 50 questions, right? The real examination is after the 50 questions, right? And this is basically a sample giving you guys an example of how the real examination is going to look like, right? Try the 50 questions, right? And you can actually navigate through the questions. If, let's say, for example, I want to skip number 2, I go to number 4, right? You can skip, go to number 20. You can skip, go to number 30. You can skip, go to number 36, right? You can skip, go to number 35, right? That is why, that's how the re-examination is going to look like. Let's say, for example, let's answer number 35, for example. Since a glider owner applied for a standard certificate of airworthiness, under which category would the COA be issued? So the glider owner, right? I believe on the maintenance. Let's see. Then I go to the next one. Let's see. I don't know. Submit, right? Let's say, for example, I only answered 35. As you can see on the right side, all of them are white, but number 35 is gray. And that shows that number 35 is being answered. This is how the real examination actually kind of looks like, right? It tells you answer the questions that have been answered. Let's say, for example, I want to go back to finish up number 9, for example. I can just click number 9. But for the sake of this video, I don't want to make this video too long. I'm going to finish, right? And when you finish the questions, you can see it tells you, okay, hey, number 1 to 1 to 48 is not answered yet. You sure you want to return to the quiz or you want to submit? This is how the warning actually looks like in the real examination, right? But anyways, for the sake of the video, we're going to finish submit, right? You can see I have all the questions wrong, right? I actually missed number 35. But yeah, anyways, so this is what the value, another value of the website is. You can see it tells you Canadian aircraft, blah, blah, blah. It tells you on the corner here, it tells you the answer that is right? It transfer with aircraft. Was good with the transfer of the blah aircraft. But if we go to number 35 that I missed, right? I go to number 35, right? It actually tells you why this answer is incorrect. You know what I'm saying? Like I basically missed the answer on purpose so you guys can see why the website is valuable, right? It tells exactly why the answer is incorrect, right? It tells you, okay, yes, this is the option you choose, but owner is separate special COA, right? The owner, it's not for let's say for a glider owner applies for a standard certification of airworthiness. This answer is not applicable to this question, right? The correct answer is glider category, right? So this is the valuable of the website. Like I said, it's a really good website. These questions were set from were actually made from people that have done this examination previously, and also my experience doing the examination. Right. So I want to give you guys the value. So if you're about to do a aircraft maintenance engineering course examination, like I said, this will be a valuable website for you. All you gotta do is just check out the website. It's called SkyTest. I'll put the description also, so that way you guys can have access to it. All right. For you guys that are new to my channel, my name is Peter. I'm a licensed aircraft maintenance engineer, and I have videos about aircraft maintenance engineering on my channel. If you're interested in those type of videos, don't forget to check out those videos. All right. For you guys that are about to write your CARS examination, and if you need someone to help you out with preparation, you need someone to guide you through, show you where to study. Right. The book is good, but it's a lot of information in the book. But I can guarantee I can show you exactly where to study this examination. Right. If you're that type of apprentice that need that type of help, right, this is something I can help you. I can help you out with the preparation, with the coaching. It's going to be a 4 weeks coaching, like 3 days a week, 2 days per week, for 4 weeks. Like I can coach you basically. If you need that type of help, click the link in my bio, book a consultation, and let's talk. Let me see how I can help you. All right. For you guys into my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Love you guys.